Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to turn boring storybook like this, love storybooks, like you can see, very easy to read but kind of boring because there's no any single visual book into a fantastic visual, something like this. You can see this and then you can be able to play it. You can see the visual and you can see the story. Very touching and very interesting. You can follow through because from the stories you can see the visual and it will keep you connected, kind of linked and pinned to this. All right, so it's very easy to create. You can create this by the use of Google Gemini. So let's go ahead and show you how you can do that. So once you are on your Gemini page, okay, you've logged in with your account, you can go ahead and come to Gemini Games over here. Games are very useful. You can create AI apps and even transform custom workflows and so on with the Google Labs. It's just been released not quite long, so there are so many gems made by labs that you can see, from the recipe journey, this one that can generate, transform your fridge, or marketing marble, claymation, explainer, learning with YouTube and so on. You can even click over here to see many more other gems that have been created, and you can see some pre-made gems that have been created. Also down here you can have the chess champ or women's World Cup, Storybook, and brainstormer. You can see more from here of the gems that have been created. But then for this, our main target is Storybook, so you could just click on this and then this is going to open. Okay, so create a customized picture book for either children or adults, given a topic and optional target audience, age, or an optional art style for the images. Okay, so you can give a title and define the kind of image, kind of book that you want. You can be as detailed as you want in terms of description. So for this, I have my book. I can just go ahead and upload it. I have it here, love stories. I can just bring it in and then I can see, can you transform this boring storybook with visual images to capture the attention of the reader? In the model, I can select the thinking, or you can give it that draft first. So let's go with the thinking and then go ahead and hit on enter to this. Let's give it some seconds and see what this is going to create. And you can see right now the storybook had been created. Let's take a look at what it has created for us. Okay, so wonderfully we can start opening, flipping, and be seeing some kind of very interesting book. Okay, the story you can follow through and you can specify the number of pages or the number of stories that you want to capture, and in which case I'll come down here and see more and you can start all over again if you're interested. And if you like, you can come over here to download this in PDF, or you can share the storybook directly within your socials, or you can create a link and send to someone that can easily copy and even share as well. And if you like, additionally, you can turn this into an audiobook, so you can just click to listen.
The carousel turns, and the stories continue. From the busy markets of Cairo to the grand villas of Calcutta.
That's fantastic. So you can just go ahead, explore, and see what you can use this, how you can use Google Gemini gems to your own advantage, either in apps creation or in storybook generation or in games generation, any other one that you think you can find useful. Please go ahead and explore and see how you can use this to your own advantage. This concludes this simple tutorial about the creation of the storybook with the use of Google Gemini gems. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.